So this is a Mattymac 28 kilowatt heat pump for our pool. Now, one thing I was actually wondering is what the temperature differential is between the air intake and the exhaust. So taking a look, I've had a sensor just sitting behind at the air intake at about 26 degrees based on today's temperature of 30. Now, taking a look at the exhaust, we're actually hitting 11 degrees. So we have about a 15 degree differential between the intake behind and the exhaust. And surprisingly, the exhaust has about a 66% humidity, so it's quite high. But what I was thinking is perhaps we could make an outdoor gym area, sports area, whatever area that essentially has the exhaust going into that area, and we have a chute above with an air intake, a large area, to make sure that we're sucking in plenty of hot air, because you need hot air to go in the exhaust to essentially do the whole heat pump, air conditioning, refrigerant, totally above my expertise. But essentially you need hot air coming in the input to allow this system to work efficiently to produce hot air for the pool and a cold exhaust. So we could use the cold exhaust air that presently is just being exhausted into the air to cool down an area. Now, some issues I've heard of in the past is potentially that you're increasing the air pressure in the area, so you do need to have sufficient airflow to exhaust all this air to expel. So we'd be able to cool down the area and make sure there's sufficient air exhaust. Similarly, there's additional humidity. So I'll have to do a comparison, but I believe this is definitely increasing humidity on the exhaust line. So I'd have to introduce some dehumidifiers within the area to capture that additional humidity, capture it into water and exhaust that somewhere else, or drain that somewhere else, I should say. Has anyone had experience doing this? It'd be interesting to hear.